Guys, there is a fundamental disconnect between how we are taught to understand technology in academia and how we are expected to deploy it in the industry. When you spend years in dense academic environments studying formal mathematics, theoretical physics, or deep computer science, you are trained to seek perfection and elegant solutions. But when you transition into the enterprise sector, nobody pays for theory, they pay for outcomes. The industry does not care if you can perfectly derive a loss function on a whiteboard if you cannot build an architecture that actually solves a business problem. Right now, the barrier to entry in tech is shifting. With the rise of agentic AI and advanced development tool, writing code is no longer a necessary or rare skill. The traditional route of mindlessly grinding through basic programming tutorials will not make you competitive. What really makes you competitive is first principle thinking. So, the advantage of a rigorous academic background isn't the specific equations you memorized, it is the mathematical maturity you developed. It is the ability to look at a complex multi agentic solution, break it down to its foundational logic, and understand exactly why it is failing. When the tools change, and they are rapidly changing as we are moving towards more headless software and AI driven interfaces, the professionals who survive are the ones who understand the fundamental mechanics beneath the abstraction layer. So, if you really want to build a career in applied AI, you have to abandon passive learning. Stop watching superficial 10-minute tutorial videos. Stop collecting meaningless certificates. Instead, transition entirely to rigorous, unguided project based learning. Pick a complex, real world problem. Build the data pipeline from scratch. Construct the multi agentic workflow. When it inevitably breaks, use your first principles knowledge to debug the architecture. The gap between academia and industry is by building. The people who get hired are the ones who can point to a system they engineered and can explain the deep underlying logic of why it works. So stop studying the tools and start engineering the outcomes. If you like this video, please do subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.